Sometimes there are multiple states in one design page. It's difficult to manage or check repetitive, yet similar designs. Mockplus page states makes it easier. By putting multiple states into one artboard, designing has never been this clear. You can easily upload page states from Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD and Photoshop. In this video we will show you with Photoshop. Download the Photoshop plugin from the Mockplus website and get your pages ready to upload to Mockplus. In the plugin, choose Add New State. Name your state and press Upload. In Mockplus, you can see your new states merged into one page. When a page has been imported, you can convert it into a state online. Highlight all the pages you want to merge, right-click and press Merge into State page. Then press Play Carousel. Customize it as you like. You can also drag a state out of the merged carousel, changing it back into a single page. That's it for this video. By using Mockplus, you can save time designing multiple page states by putting them together, all in your design hub, Mockplus.